Good morning. Vlogmas, not Vlogmas here. December 9th. I'm in the kitchen. It's about 9 o'clock. 12:99:22. Okay. I've been doing a lot of decluttering this morning, and I have to get over there and do some embroidery on my machine, which I may show you for another day. But what I'm doing here is, oh, let me turn the camera on. There we go. I had some butternut squash soup the other day at Greg's at our party, at our Espresso Knitters party. It was very delicious. And I looked up a number of recipes for butternut squash. And then I combined a bunch of ideas. So this is all of my ideas combined. I sauteed some onions and garlic. And I chopped some carrots, and I got about 1.25 pounds of butternut squash already peeled at Market Basket. I put in 1 1/4 apples. The 3/4 of the other apple went to Molly. You can see I just put some ground pepper in. That's all those black spots. This is, I still have, the sage is still going strong in the garden, so I had Dennis, who already has shoes on. He's already been to Mass. He goes to Mass every day. And he got me some of my sage leaves, which it says to put in a sprig. I don't know if that means 1. And this is a very small batch of soup. But I put in 2. You take it out later. So I sauteed all those vegetables. I sauteed the squash, and then I put in 2 cups of chicken bouillon from Better Than Bouillon. I don't know if you ever used it. I've only just started I found this at Market Basket, and it's really good, and they have all different flavors. So this is roasted chicken base. I tried that once before, and I liked it, so I put it in this soup. And what else? Salt and pepper. Oh, a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. So now it says, now that it's, oh, and the 2 cups of boiled water for 2 teaspoons of the bouillon base there. So I'm going to bring it up to simmer, put it on low, and they say to cook it until the vegetables are tender. Oh, I'll be back later and let you know how it turned out. The recipe I'm kind of using is called butternut squash soup. From who? Doesn't say. These people are supposed to identify themselves when you print out the recipe, right? Find it online at, let's see. Find it online at, oh, Gimme Some Oven. www.gimmesomeoven.com. Slow cooker butternut squash soup recipe. You can make it in a slow cooker. You can make it on the stovetop. They tell you different things. And an Instapot. You can make it in the Instapot. There's like all different methods. So I'll see you. Look at all these things I'm decluttering. There's clutter all over the table because I'm putting all this stuff in boxes. I'll show you how much I decluttered already this morning. Yikes, look at it all. Look at it all. I used to love these birds. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? But I'm not one to decorate anymore, so everything's going. I'll be back later with the soup. Okay, so it seems a little thick for soup. Oh, by the way, I took out those sage leaves before I did this. You can see there's still some carrots that are kind of hard. But some recipes call for cream. Open this up. Okay, I have some light cream here. I'm just gonna put that's the tiniest amount and mix it. Oh, that's too much, I think. Maybe not. But it's still not creamy like soup. I might add another cup of like chicken stock or something to it. Let's see. Here's the thing. Let me see. It's too thick. I'm definitely going to put in a cup of chicken stock and make it more soup consistency and see how that does. Okay, and here's the final verdict on the soup. I'm just heating it up again, but let me show you. I added 1 more cup of hot water with bouillon cube, or bouillon stuff, and it wasn't thin enough, but now it's perfect. It's perfect soup consistency, I think. Do I have something? Let me get this. Here we go. See? It's still, there's a random carrot that I didn't pulverize. I mean, I could always put it through the blender too. Probably be easier than doing it with that immersion thing. But it tastes fantastic. I love it. So, you guys probably saying, yeah, where you been? That's true. Where have I been? I've never made it. And I cook butternut squash like all the time. Okay, so there you have it. Vlogmas, not Vlogmas, butternut soup. Bye now.